In integrated science, you learnt the basic concept of photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water are converted into glucose and oxygen. This reaction requires light energy. But in fact, photosynthesis is not a single reaction. It involves a series of reactions, which can be grouped into two main stages. The first stage is photochemical reactions, and the second one is carbon fixation. In this video, we will first explore how photochemical reactions actually happen. Photochemical reactions require light, so they are also called light-dependent stage or the light reactions. These reactions take place inside the chloroplasts, on the thicolloid membranes where chlorophyll molecules and electron carriers are present. The major events in photochemical reactions include absorption of light, photophosphorylation, and photolysis of water. First, a chlorophyll molecule absorbs light energy. The energy excites an electron. It raises the electron to a higher energy level, and the electron is then emitted from the chlorophyll molecule. Afterwards, the excited electron is accepted by an electron carrier and then passed through the electron transport chain, which is made up of a series of electron carriers on the thicolloid membrane. As electrons pass from a carrier of a higher energy level to one of a lower energy level in the electron transport chain, energy is released. The energy released is used to make ATP. This is done by adding a phosphate to ADP, and the process is called phosphorylation. As the energy ultimately comes from light, we call this process photophosphorylation. Meanwhile, some of the energy from the electrons is used in driving the formation of NADPH from the hydrogen acceptor NADP and hydrogen ions. Finally, water is split into hydrogen ions and oxygen. This process is known as photolysis of water. In the process, electrons are released from water molecules. These electrons replace the lost electrons of the chlorophyll molecule. Oxygen is released as a gas to the atmosphere. To summarize, photochemical reactions generate ATP and NADPH, with the release of oxygen as a byproduct. Both ATP and NADPH will be used in the next stage of photosynthesis, carbon fixation or Calvin cycle. ATP will provide the energy for the reactions in the Calvin cycle, while NADPH will act as a reducing agent by donating its hydrogen. For more details on photochemical reactions, you may refer to pages 20 to pages 22 of Chapter 22 in Book 2C.